Hello, I'm Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. In today's Stocks in Action show, we'll take a look at the latest updates from mining company South32, medical imaging service provider Integral Diagnostics and fintech giant Zip. We'll also cover Mali-focused gold and lithium explorer Firefinch and healthcare equipment company Summerset Group Holdings. Firstly, shares of ASX-listed mining company South32 are trading up today as the company exercised its preemptive rights to acquire up to 25% shareholding and related rights in Mosul Aluminium from MCA Metals. The Australian-based miner will match a headline purchase price of $250 million to acquire the interest, taking its ownership of the smelter up to 72.1%. As a result, it'll further increase its shareholding of a group-wide annualised equity share of aluminium production by 15%. The company's net cash balance at the end of August was $553 million. Moving on, medical imaging service provider Integral Diagnostics shares were trading up today after the company announced its acquisition of Albury-based diagnostic imaging provider, the X-Ray Group, on the 30th of September. The X-Ray Group's business aligns with Integral's regional operations. The X-Ray Group comprises radiology clinics in Albury and Wodonga, along with 3 smaller community clinics. The X-Ray Group has a projected financial year 2022 EBITDA contribution of around $5.5 million. That's before any COVID-19 impacts, and has remained earnings per share accretive in year 1. It has strong potential growth opportunities and operational synergies. The current acquisition deal includes an upfront purchase consideration of $37.5 million. That's consisting of $25.95 million in cash and $11.55 million in new ordinary Integral Diagnostic shares. The new shares are to be issued on completion of the acquisition. 100% of the consideration in shares will be subject to escrow arrangements. Deferred consideration of up to $1 million will be payable on the 3rd anniversary of the transaction completion. The acquisition is expected to be completed in November. Next news, let's take a look at fintech giant Zip. Their shares were trading up today as the company entered into an agreement with tech giant Microsoft to integrate its technology into the shopping experiences within Microsoft Edge, beginning with the US market. There are more than 1.3 billion devices running Windows 10. The new Zip functionality is being tested during the 4th quarter and could launch as early as November. Zip provides customers with a transparent digital payment option and is excited to integrate the shopping experience with Microsoft Edge. That's a web browser that's built for shopping, and Zip is built for consumers looking for flexible payment options. They're a pioneer of innovation and the Pay Anywhere model, allowing US customers to use its Pay in 4 product at any retailer, either online or in-store, through its app and virtual card functionality. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more trending updates.
Property by Kalkine. Looking for a dream home? Well, that may sound easy, but it isn't. And from looking for a property that is the right fit for you in terms of cost and other factors, to zeroing down on the right mortgage plan, there are various aspects to consider. And for the latest slowdown in the property market, tune in on Kalkine TV with me, Sage. I will give the latest updates on the property market as well as real estate stocks to help you make the right decision. Keep watching Property with Kalkine.
Hello and welcome back. Rachel here live from Sydney. Next in the news, we're looking at Firefinch. Shares of Mali-focused gold and lithium explorer were trading down so far today. That's after the company received approval from the Malayan government for its Goulamina lithium project. Firefinch is joining hands with Chinese company Zhejiang Ganfeng Lithium for the transaction. They're the world's 3rd largest and China's largest lithium compounds producer and the world's largest lithium metals producer in terms of production. The Milanian government considers the transaction beneficial for the development of spodumene concentrate in West Africa. It'll create local jobs and establish local infrastructure to meet the needs of local communities, aligning with the Malayan Mining Code. Only Chinese regulatory approvals are left now for the transaction to complete, allowing the transfer of exploitation license to the JV company. When it is satisfied, Ganfeng will provide $39 million in cash as the first investment for the Goulamina project. The remaining $91 million will be received post-Goulamina final investment decision. An updated definitive feasibility study is expected in October and will enable final investment decision. It will also fast-track Ganfeng's second cash investment of $91 million and subsequent debt funding of up to $64 million. Lastly, shares of healthcare equipment company the Summerset Group are trading flat so far today. That's after the company announced it's purchased its fifth Melbourne property located at Oakley South. The announcement revealed that the acquisition has underscored the company's drive to introduce older Australians to its high-quality model of retirement living, which more than 6,600 New Zealanders already enjoy. The acquisition followed the company's recent release of its half-year results, showing an underlying profit of $75.5 million. That's up 68% on the same period last year. Well, that's a wrap for the show now, but keep watching Kalkine TV for more trending market updates. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.